This matter began at 9:30 this morning with 6 interested parties to become interveners in these proceedings. However, after a short adjournment, the 5-man Supreme Court bench dismissed applications by all 5 interested parties. The application by opposition leader Beldet Nama was later withdrawn by his lawyer. The final adjournment was for 10 minutes for the Supreme Court to return with a decision on whether or not Parliament will reconvene tomorrow. Chief Justice Egib Salika raised his voice during submissions on the legality of Parliament sitting on November 17th, reminding lawyers representing the 3 different parties on the urgency of this matter. In this matter, Peter O'Neill is the only applicant that is seeking legal interpretation on the decision by Parliament Speaker Job Pomat to recall Parliament on 17th of November at 10 a.m. Parliament Speaker Job Pomat, through his lawyer, Charles Mende, informed courts that while he will be available for Parliament to resume tomorrow, Pomat has asked the courts to stay Parliament sitting on November 13th and November 17th. Nema Yalo, lawyer representing the Attorney General Pillai Niningi, in his submissions to the Supreme Court, maintains that he is not ready with the submissions today and adds that the court should not be rushed to make a ruling today.
Now the substantive issues are pending. That'll be determined, that'll be argued on Wednesday this week. But in the interim, what transpired this afternoon was whether the court could issue certain interim orders. A lawyer from Mr. O'Neill wanted an order from the court that Parliament sit tomorrow, and the Attorney General and the Speaker had an application to stay that decision of Parliament on the 13th of November 2020 to adjourn to tomorrow. So there was no agreement on the part of the parties to assist the court. Court was a bit reluctant to issue that order. He didn't want to step into the realm of the legislature. However, the parties did give consent for the court to decide, and the court decided to walk the middle ground. It's an independent authority, so to be fair, that nobody is prejudiced, court issued orders today for the decision of Parliament on the 13th of November to sit tomorrow. That is stayed, pending the final determination of the substantive application.
However, after continuous debates back and forth, the 5-man Supreme Court bench sought consent from the 3 lawyers to step in and make a decision on whether or not Parliament should be recalled tomorrow.
I think it's a fair decision by the court, and the court has adjourned to the 3rd for the hearing, so our lawyers will be at work. So I'm happy with that decision.
The matter returns to court for the substantive hearing this Thursday, which is the 3rd of December. Lawyers representing the 3 parties in these proceedings have been advised to file their submissions, including affidavits, which must not be more than 4 pages long. Theckla Gunga, National EMTV News.